अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कट्टू फिट में खुशामदीद। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे पाक स्टडीज़ पाक 301 के क्विज़ नंबर 1 पर। और ये जो अभी मौजूदा क्विज़ है 2023 का क्विज़ है। ये चंद लम्हे पहले ही ये क्विज़ हुआ है, तो उसकी वीडियो है। शुरू करते हैं बगैर किसी टाइम ज़ाया किए। विच पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का आइडियाज़म ज्वाइंट एट द स्टार्ट? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस। When Mohammedan Defence Association was established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, 1893. Which of the following personalities stressed the modern education for Muslim of subcontinent? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Who first introduced the term two-nation theory? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Which of the following political party was not in the favor of partition of Bengal? Indian National Congress. What was the name of society that formed for the protection of Urdu language? Mohammedan Defence Association. Who organized the London branch of All India Muslim League? Sayyid Amir Ali. Which of the following personalities describe India as a beautiful bridge blessed by two attractive eyes, the Hindus and the Muslim? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. In which city Urdu Hindi controversy started? Banaras. What was the ultimate aim of emergence of All India Muslim League? All of these. On which issue did Quaid-e-Azam part away from Gandhi and left Congress? On the use of extra constitutional means. Quaid-e-Azam presented his 14 points in response to Nehru report. When did Quaid-e-Azam officially started his political career? 1906, 1906 में. When did Quaid-e-Azam officially started his political career? 1906. Quaid-e-Azam presented his 14 points in response to Nehru report. When Muslim League formally set up its branch in London? 1908. 1906 में बनी थी और 1908 में लंदन में अपनी ब्रांच बनाई थी. What was the primary goal of East India Company to visit subcontinent to trade? War of Independence took place in 1857. When did Quaid-e-Azam use the term nation for Indian Muslim? February 1935. Who was formally elected as the first president of Muslim League? Sir Aga Khan was the first president of Muslim League. When did Jinnah resign from the Indian National Congress? 1920. Which political party Quaid-e-Azam joined at the start? Indian National Congress. Which of the following personalities stressed on modern education for Muslim of subcontinent? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan stressed to educate modern education. How many Muslim leaders participated in Shimla deputation to present their How many Muslim leaders participated in Shimla deputation to present their demands? 35. What was the name of society that formed for the protection of Urdu language? Mohammedan Defence Association. Who organized the London branch of All India Muslim League? Sayyid Amir Ali. Which leader brought Muslim League and Congress to the table before Lucknow Pact? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Which of the following personalities stressed on modern education? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan repeated. When Muslim League formally set up its branch in London? 1908. How many Muslim leaders participated in similar deputation? 35. When All India Muslim League was formed in Dhaka? 1906. What was the name of first conqueror that captured some part of India? Muhammad bin Qasim. What was the primary agenda of the formation of United Indian Patriotic Association? All of these. On which issue did Quaid-e-Azam part away from Gandhi and left Congress? On the extra constitutional means. Which pact was regarded as the first effort of Quaid-e-Azam to promote Hindu? Lucknow Pact. Which of the following element was the basis of establishment of Pakistan? Two-nation theory. When did Quaid-e-Azam use the term nation? February 1935. Why did the British government revoke the partition of Bengal? To avoid any trouble during the visit of King George V. War of Independence took place in 1857. Which of the following political party was not the favor of partition of Bengal? Indian National Congress. When Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College converted into Aligarh Muslim University, 1920. Which of the following political party was not in favor of partition of Bengal? Congress. How did Islam spread in subcontinent? Arab traders. When did Quaid-e-Azam present his 14 points? 1920? 29. What was the number of Hindus that were able to get a graduation degree from Indian institutions during 1859 to 1875? 715. What was the number of Muslims that were able to get a graduation degree from Indian institution during 1859 to 1875? 20. When did Quaid-e-Azam use the term nation? February 1935. What was the number of Hindus that were able to 715 repeated hai? When the United Indian Patriotic Association was set up? 1888. When Urdu-Hindi controversy emerged in subcontinent? 1867. What was the name of first school established by Sir Syed Ahmad in Muradabad? Gulshan School. War of Independence took place in 1857. What was the main goal of formation of Mohammedan Defense Association? To protect social right, religious right, political rights, all of these. Ideology is a set of beliefs, values, all of these. Which one of the following personalities led the delegation of 35 Muslim leaders at the Shimla conference? Sir Aga Khan. In which city Urdu-Hindi controversy started? Banaras. What was the name of society that formed for the protection of Urdu language? Mohammedan Defense Association. Who was formally elected as the first president of Muslim League? Sir Aga Khan. 1857. Founder of Indian National Congress was Hume. When did Jinnah resign from Indian National Congress? 1920. How did Islam spread in subcontinent? थ्रू आर्बिट्रेटर्स। अब ये रिपीट होना शुरू हो गए, तो ये वीडियो आप एंड तक देख लें और इससे के बाद अपना क्विज़ खुद अटैम्प्ट करें। इंशाल्लाह सारे रिपीटेड होंगे इसके बाद, इस वीडियो के बाद जितने भी अब जो है वो सारे रिपीटेड है। अगर ये फ़ाइल आपको चाहिए तो आप कमेंट में मुझे बता दीजिए, या जो लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला हुआ है वो चैनल आप ज्वाइन कर लें, वहाँ पर ये फ़ाइल शेयर हो जाएगी। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।